Okay, this is the link for writing right now. This will be your writing project. Each day you'll complete a single slide. So I have signed out of my school account so that I can show you what it will look like for you. This is what it should look like as it pops up. This is the cover page. Right now it's view only. You can't edit any of the slides. All you can do is look at them. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to save it yourself in order to edit it, and then you'll be able to share it with me. That's what I'm going to show you to do now. So you'll go to File, and then you're going to go down to Make a Copy. Entire presentation. You can name it whatever you want. I will just keep it as copy. And then what you're going to do is each slide has a clickable space where you have two options. You can either fill in everything right on Google Slides and then share it with me and I'll print it out for you. Or if you have a good printer at home, then as you complete each slide, you can print it out at home. You want to definitely make sure that you check each slide before you print it, because I do actually have some slides like this one that are not, they don't fit in the printable space. So for this one, you'll definitely need to rotate the picture before you print it, okay? Something that's really important that you're going to want to do is look at the presenter notes down here. There's presenter notes on every single slide, and in those presenter notes, that's where I have written the directions. That way, if you just wanted to print it out and not do it through Google Slides, then you wouldn't have the directions on your paper, because this is meant to be a scrapbook that you can keep. If you're going to do it through Google Slides, I have put text boxes everywhere that you need to type. So all you need to do is click where you see a space to write something. So you'd write your name here. It's a cover by and then you're good to go on to the next slide. Then you read the directions. Draw, paint, design a picture of people staying at your house during this time. And it says who was living in the house at the time. So you could print this picture out and draw on it and then take a picture of it and send it to me. What's important is that anytime that you print something out that I make, you need to make sure that you take a picture of it and send it to me so that I can see that you did it.